Hello, my name is Diane Phillips. I'm the ATI coordinator and the simulation and lab coordinator here at WVJC Bridgeport campus. I have with me Alison who is an LPN student here. Today, Alison is going to demonstrate how to perform a lung assessment on an adult patient. Alison has already knocked on the door for permission to enter, washed her hands, and identified the patient using 2 IDs. Relying on her knowledge of anatomy and physiology, Alison will demonstrate the appropriate sequence of auscultating the lungs anteriorly. She will then listen to 1 whole respiratory cycle. Once the anterior lungs are assessed, Alison will do a posterior lung assessment using the same sequence. When the exam is complete, Alison will thank the patient, make them comfortable, wash her hands, and document her findings. Thank you for watching how to perform a lung assessment.